Death Valley, a land of scorching heat, relentless sun, and desolate beauty. But beneath this harsh exterior lies a mystery that has baffled scientists and explorers for decades. Rocks, sailing across the desert floor. No, this isn't a mirage. These are the sailing stones of Death Valley. How can these heavy rocks, some weighing hundreds of pounds, move on their own? They leave behind long, straight grooves in the dirt, like a testament to their incredible journey. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets of these enigmatic stones. The first documented sighting of the sailing stones dates back to the early 1900s. Back then, theories swirled like dunes in a desert wind. Some believed it was the work of supernatural forces, while others suggested solid winds or even giant, unseen animals pushing the stones. But the key to solving the mystery lies in the unique location where these movements occur, the racetrack playa. This is different from your typical beach. It's a vast, dry lakebed nestled within Death Valley National Park. During most of the year, the racetrack playa is a cracked and parched expanse. But during rare winter storms, the playa transforms. Rain fills the basin, creating a shallow lake. With the arrival of winter, the playa's temporary lake freezes. But the story doesn't end there. As the days lengthen and temperatures rise, something remarkable happens. The ice sheet melts, breaking into large, thin panels. Imagine giant slabs of ice floating across the shallow water. These panels become the key players in our rock-moving mystery. Now, Death Valley is no stranger to wind. Gentle breezes often sweep across the playa. These winds, combined with the slick mud beneath the melting ice, create the perfect conditions for movement. Picture this. A thin sheet of ice nudged by a gentle wind encounters a rock in its path. The ice acts like a giant natural bulldozer, pushing the rock across the slick mud. As the rock slides, it carves a long groove in the playa's surface, leaving behind the telltale trail. The scientific community has long been captivated by the sailing stones of Death Valley, leading to numerous studies and experiments to uncover the truth behind their movement. The breakthrough came when researchers observed that thin ice sheets would form around the stones under winter conditions. As temperatures rise during the day, these ice sheets begin to melt, and a combination of light winds and the slick mud beneath allows the stones to move. This movement is subtle and slow, often going unnoticed by the naked eye, but over time, it results in significant displacement that can be tracked by the trails left behind on the desert floor. The process is a delicate interplay of natural elements: water, ice, wind, and earth. When conditions are just right, with the playa flooded from rainfall, nighttime temperatures plummet below freezing, encasing the stones in a thin layer of ice. As the morning sun thaws the ice, it breaks into floating panels. Even the lightest breeze can push these panels across the slippery mud surface, dragging the ensnared stones with them. This remarkable phenomenon illustrates the power of incremental change and how nature can engineer movement in seemingly lifeless objects. The visual demonstration of the sailing stones' movement is mesmerizing. We can compress years into seconds using time-lapse photography, revealing the stones' slow but persistent trek across the racetrack playa. This footage captures the stones as they inscribe their paths into the earth, each trail a unique signature of its journey. The small and large stones move in concert with the elements, choreographed by the subtle interplay of ice, water, and wind. It's a silent ballet set in one of the harshest environments on Earth, yet it speaks volumes about the delicate balance of nature. In addition to time-lapse, animations are a powerful tool to illustrate the scientific principles behind the stone's movement. Simple yet effective, these animations can show how the thin sheets of ice around the stones break apart, and how the resulting ice flows, driven by light winds, push the stones over the slick mud surface. By visualizing these concepts, viewers can better grasp the intricate dance between the geological and meteorological conditions that allow these stones to glide gracefully, It's a visual feast that transforms a complex scientific explanation into an understandable and captivating story. Local perspectives and impact. The sailing stones of Death Valley have long intrigued not only scientists, but also those who live near and visit this otherworldly landscape. Local perspectives provide a human touch to the scientific narrative, as residents and park rangers recount tales of first encounters with the stone's mysterious trails. These stories often reflect a mix of fascination and respect for the natural world, with many locals expressing a sense of pride in the unique phenomenon in their backyard. Visitors, too, are drawn to the area, hoping to catch a glimpse of the stones in motion, adding a layer of personal experience to the geological wonder. Impact on the playa. The impact of the sailing stones extends beyond scientific curiosity. It touches upon environmental conservation and tourism management. As the phenomenon gains popularity, more visitors are drawn to the racetrack playa, which can lead to increased environmental stress in the area. Park rangers emphasize the importance of preserving the natural state of the playa, urging visitors to minimize their footprint and avoid disturbing the stones. The delicate balance of the ecosystem that allows the stones to move is a reminder of the broader need for sustainable tourism practices that protect such marvels for future generations to witness. As we conclude our journey with the sailing stones of Death Valley, we reflect on the profound lessons they impart. These stones, seemingly inanimate, have stirred the curiosity of many and challenged the intellect of those who sought to uncover their secrets. The scientific explanation, rooted in the precise alignment of natural phenomena, serves as a reminder of the intricate workings of our planet. It's a testament to the power of persistent inquiry and the joy of unraveling the mysteries of nature. The story of the sailing stones is more than a scientific case study. It's a narrative that connects us to the larger rhythms of the earth. It encourages us to ponder our place within the natural world and to approach its mysteries with humility and wonder. As we contemplate the silent, steady movements of these desert travelers, we are reminded of the subtle yet profound forces that shape our environment and our understanding of it. In closing, the sailing stones of Death Valley symbolize the enduring allure of the unknown. They beckon us to explore, question, and appreciate the marvels that lie beyond our grasp. As we bid farewell to the racetrack playa and its enigmatic inhabitants, we carry a renewed sense of awe for the natural world and its endless capacity to surprise and enlighten us. So, the mystery of the sailing stones might be cracked, but Death Valley is still an entire wonder to explore. If you enjoyed this trip to Racetrack Playa, leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more scientific oddities and natural wonders. We'll be venturing out to uncover more mysteries on the move.